Do you have lazy students? Are your students horrible listeners? Well, we can fix all your problems with the ultimate alarm clock. The human air horn. With the human air horn, your kids will never sleep again. The human air horn makes great listening out of all of your students. If you don't believe how awesome our human air horn is, just ask our satisfied customers.
The human air horn is great. It's made me a great listener. Don't hurt me. I have a family.
The human air horn comes in 3 different colors: red, black, and white. Loud. Super loud. Bust your eardrums loud. You won't have to worry about the human air horn making a mess because it is potty trained. You can order the human air horn for the low price of free.
Plus $35 shipping and handling.
Order now. If the human air horn don't make you listen,
It'll make you deaf.